I'd like to welcome you to Sutton Knob, a new community located just 6 miles from downtown Brevard and 20 minutes from the Asheville Airport. Sutton Knob is a low-density, 94-acre community that is perfectly situated to enjoy the countless outdoor activities found in the nearby Pisgah National Forest. Whether you're interested in hiking, mountain biking, horseback riding, fly fishing, or simply relaxing with a great mountain view, you'll find abundant opportunities just minutes away from Sutton Knob. Sutton Knob also allows easy access to restaurants, shopping, breweries, art walks, and music venues. At Sutton Knob, visitors and property owners can make the most of the community areas, which include 2 spring-fed ponds, small waterfalls and grassy areas, a large fire pit, and hiking trails. The first phase of Sutton Knob, located near the entrance to the outdoor-oriented development, includes a total of 14 lots and pricing starts at $50,000. The second phase of Sutton Knob, known as the Summit at Sutton Knob, will begin road construction in the fall of 2014 and is expected to contain 16 lots, all of which have great long-range mountain views. These gently sloping wooded lots range from 2,800 to 3,200 feet in elevation, which is over 1,000 feet higher than downtown Brevard. This provides for summer temperatures approximately 6 degrees cooler than downtown. The long-range vistas and clear mountain ponds and streams and natural flora and fauna make it feel as though you are miles away from the hustle and bustle of city life. Yet, Sutton Knob's convenient location, only 1.5 miles from the entrance to Pisgah National Forest, 6 miles from downtown Brevard, and 20 minutes from the Asheville Regional Airport, DuPont State Forest, and other resources ensure the cultural experiences found in Brevard and Asheville are just a short drive away. We invite you to come and explore the natural beauty of the Blue Ridge here at Sutton Knob. Thank you for touring Sutton Knob with us today. You can learn more at suttonnob.com, contact your broker, and come and take a tour.